Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making a card using the sheet load of cards from Call Me Crafty Owl, her February 2023 sketch. We're going to be using the Dainty Flowers. This is a free celebration choice. The Beautifully Happy stamp set, which is also a celebration choice, along with the Stylish Shapes dies. Now, celebration is almost over, so you have until the 28th of February to get your free products when you place a qualifying order, okay? Now, before we get into our project, of course, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. So this is the March Paper Pumpkin Kit, 10 years of growth. Yes, Paper Pumpkin is celebrating its 10th year. In this kit, you're going to get a free gift, and that is a stamp set. You have some gold foil sentiments, and you are also going to get, what is the color spot? I can't. This polished pink stamping spot. Sorry about that. Okay, so that's for March, and there is a link in the description box below for you to sign up to get the Paper Pumpkin Kit. We have the More to Celebrate. This is extra options they've added to the celebration freebie. So again, you have until the 28th to place a qualifying order and choose some of these freebies. They have 9 of the items that you can choose for free when you place a $50 or more order, and then 1 at a $100 level, okay? During celebration, we have a join special where you can purchase your starter kit and receive some free product, okay? So your starter kit is $99 plus tax, and you're going to get to choose $175 worth of product. That's $50 more than the standard starter kit. Now, if you want this beautiful boho blue Stampin' and Cut Emboss machine, the mini, or if you want the white one, you'll pay $129 plus tax, but you're still going to get to choose $175 worth of product, okay? And again, you only have until February 28th to take advantage of that deal to get you some free product in your starter kit, more free product than they usually offer, okay? And I would love, love, love to have you on my team, even if you just join for the discount. I just want you to save some money. You're going to be buying products, you might as well save some money. Get you some free products in your starter kit, and then save an additional 20% at least on the rest of your purchases. Next up, we have our online exclusive release. This is an early release for demonstrators. We are able to order this now, but it will be available to customers in March, so you don't have that long to wait. And it is a bundle here with the Irresistible Blooms with a stamp set and dies. There's some designer series paper and some loose frosted dots. That you can order that all in a suite or just the bundle or however you want when it becomes available for you. Then we have some specialty designer series paper that has gold, silver, and brass metallic embossed on it. We have some embossing folders. You get 3 3D embossing folders. They all come together. And then an alphabet stamp set, okay? These are only a few of the options that you'll have starting March 1st, because this is just what they offer to us as demonstrators to purchase early. But March 1st, there's going to be a lot more online exclusives, okay? Next up, we have our host code. This is the host code for February 2023. I am running a special for the month of February. Whenever you place a $50 or more order before shipping and tax, you are going to get a pack of free enamel dots essentials, and that is from me. This is what they look like. There is some white. Let's see if I can get this open really quick. So you get Crumb Cake White and Night of Navy, okay? And this will be the free gift from me. You can only take advantage of this through me. This is not offered by Stampin' Up. This is from Honeybee Stampin' Hive only. So you have to use the host code when you place an order of $50 or more. This will be your free gift, okay? And that is all of our buzzworthy business. So let's go ahead and get started because we have a lot to do. So first thing we're going to do, I have some Blushing Bride here that's 8.5 by 5.5 scored at 4 1/4. And then I have some basic white here. We're gonna go ahead and die cut. I have the largest stitched shape circle, and we're just gonna die cut that using our baby Buzzz. This machine is awesome. If you want to get it for half price, now is the time. If you join, you're only going to be paying half price for this machine when you choose the starter kit for $129. Okay, so now we have that. Okay, so now we're going to take our paper trimmer. This is a 3-inch circle, so we're going to put this at 1.5 right here. Hopefully you can see that. It's at 1.5 inches. Whoop, let me scoot that over some. And then we're going to just slice it in half. And then we're going to turn it. Actually, I want to do just one part because it's easier to line it up on one of the horizontal lines and take it to 1.5 right here on the corner like that. And then slice it. And you just do that for both pieces. And you'll have four of these for your projects, okay? So you're only going to need one for your project, but that's okay. So I also have some rich razzleberry here and some designer series paper. All the measurements can be found at the link in the description box for Call Me Crafty Owl. She will let you know how to download the PDF to make all of this stuff for free. I'm sorry, this is the PDF. She gives you measurements. She gives you a cutting guide on how to get 12 of the cards out of the supplies that she shows you how to use, okay? So we're just going to glue this together because I have a bunch of stuff to show you. Because I am in love with this card sketch, and I made a lot more cards than just this one. I usually only make one. I never make the whole sheet load of cards. However, I probably made 9. I didn't even count them. I'll show you. But I didn't use the same paper for all of them. I just made a bunch of different cards because this is so cute. So this is a piece of basic white that's 3.5 by 4 3/4. This is 4 3/4 by 3/4, and this is for the inside of our card. So we're going to go ahead and put that in now. Okay, we're going to just sit that right on the inside of our card base. Just like that. I don't think I was supposed to stamp on it. I don't think. Okay, so we're going to layer this piece. This paper is so pretty. We're going to layer this onto here. I did change up a little bit of her measurements because I like less of a border. So I didn't make this paper smaller. I made the designer paper smaller. So the cardstock is the same size as what she had. I just made my designer paper a little bigger on that piece. So let's see. We're going to glue all these pieces together. Okay, I did number them, so I guess this is number 1. But I'm not sure how number 1 is supposed to be. It's probably not. Oh, I did it right. Good. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm just lining this up right at the edge of this paper. Then we're going to put some glue on number 2. This card sketch is so nice. It allows you to use a bunch of designer series paper in a unique way, but you get to show it off. Okay, so now we're gonna turn this way. Before I turn it, let me see. 3. Nope, it has to be like this. Okay, so we're going to glue number 4 right here, right to the edge of the cardstock, leaving an even border on both sides. Try to get it even. And then this one, that's what I did. I put this one on upside down. Oh my gosh. My goodness. Well, that's going to be interesting. Okay, let's see. Yeah. It's going to be upside down no matter what. So we're just going to go with it. Just go with it. Okay. So let's just put this right in the middle of our card base. And it's going to go from the top to the bottom. I'm just going to put it in the middle. We're going to get some Stampin' Dimensionals to pop up this portion of our card. Yes, I am using a lot of dimensionals. Let me get these backings off. Okay, so I got all the backings off, and we're gonna sit this on our card stock, on our card front rather. I'm trying to get it even or straight, not really even, but straight. Because you know, me and straight are not really friends. Okay, I think that's good. So now we have our quarter of a circle here, and we're gonna put it right here, just like this. So we're gonna do some stamping on that. So I have some basic black, tuxedo memento black, and then the rich raspberry. Ow. And I took the sentiment, Kindness Matters, from the Beautifully Happy stamp set. I'm gonna try to stamp it on here straight, like that. And then we are going to take our memento and stamp this little bee, this little honeybee, just right there, just for some added interest. Okay, then we're going to glue this down to our card front. I'm just giving that ink time to dry. Oh, what is this little fuzzy right here? We're going to glue this right into the corner of the designer series paper, not the cardstock. Just like that. Isn't that cute? So now I'm going to get my dark Daffodil Delight, and we're going to just color in some portions on this bee. Just to get a little color, and that's it. So now we're going to use some of our enamel dots here. Enamel, what are the enamel dots essentials? Yeah, enamel dots essentials. We're going to get our take your pick tool, and we're going to, oh, I like to use the pointy side. We're going to get the white. We're going to put one. Let's put that one there. Put one here. And one. Should I put it? Can't really see it here, but I'll put it there. It'll still show up. Okay, so that is our project done. Isn't that a cute layout? It would have been better if I would have put my paper in the right direction, but oh well. I think I should have started 1, 2, I don't know. Anyway, let me show you the rest of the cards that I made. So this is what we just made together. And I put a lot of other cards together. So we have this one here using the By the Bay designer series paper, and Friends Are Like Seashells stamp set. And these are the pastel sequins. Isn't this cute? That's pretty. And then we have the Regency Park designer series paper and the Playing in the Rain stamp set for the sentiment. And again, those same pastel sequins. Playing in the Rain designer series paper. I die cut that out of the paper. I think this is so pretty. Then this is another Regency Park, and this is the Friendly Gnomes stamp set, these sentiment and image. But isn't this pretty? And I used the Stampin' Blends to color that and that. I really like these colors together. Then I changed the direction, the orientation of this one, and we're using the Best Day stamp set. I fussy cut this little cute kitty out. I did some paper piecing where I stamped this balloon on this paper and then cut it out and glued it on there. But it's so cute. Look at that. Really pretty. I like that orientation too. And here's Ready for the Ride designer series paper, the specialty paper. I fussy cut this little flame and put it on the bottom. I used the, what is this called? The All That Dies for this oval. And these are the Milky Dots. Isn't this pretty? I wanted to do some masculine cards. So I have another one with the Ready for the Ride. This one has no stamping because this was on the, this is the designer paper. And I used the essential dots on this one as well. Then our last one is also Ready for the Ride, another masculine. This is from He's All That stamp set, and I die cut it using the Stylish Shapes dies. And these are the essential dots, or matte dots, the matte dots essentials, I think. Yeah, it's really cute. I really like these. Okay, you guys, that is all I have for you today. That's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.